Alright guys, this is my 2004 3.9 liter V6 Mustang. Dual Flowmaster exhaust. I have a quarter intake. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys. Hey, get back, bud. Get back. Sorry, Mom. Puppy wants to go for a ride. He ain't going nowhere. My car is hot. I can feel the heat right now. I just got home from school. But there it is. It's not like a special. It's not like a real expensive BBK filter or anything like that. It's just it costs like 180 bucks, but it does its job. So I'm gonna head and start up the car and let you guys hear the exhaust, whatever. Then I'll do like a walk around and inside the car and everything for you guys. Bear with me. I can't find my tripod. It is midday. It's hot, so yeah. I hope this works.